Sometimes the clouds hang low, and I'd like to see them go. And then I question, Lord, why so much pain? But He knows what's best for me. Although I cannot see, so I'll just say thank you, Lord. I can't complain. God is so good to me. Yes, He's so good to me, more than this world could be. He's so good to me. His Spirit came to me and gave me victory. God is so good to me.